Hello everyone and welcome to our video. Today we will do theorems of circles. So let us start with the first theorem of circles. The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Construction. Draw a circle with center O. Draw a tangent xy which touches point P at the circle. To prove, OP is perpendicular to xy.
Always remember, when such kind of theorems come in exams or any kind of proof question come, always write what is given and what to prove, because both of these have marks. If you don't know how to prove that question, just write given and to prove, and surely you will get 1 or 2 marks for this.
Draw a point Q on XY, other than O, and join OQ. Here OQ is longer than the radius OP. OQ is greater than OP. For every point on the line XY other than O, like Q1, Q2, Q3, Qn, OQ1 is greater than OP. OQ2 is greater than OP. OQ3 is greater than OP. OQn is greater than OP. Since OP is the shortest line, hence, OP is perpendicular to XY, hence proved. Because the shortest distance from a given point to the line is perpendicular only.
Thanks for watching our video. Hope this will help. Like, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel Kill D Minds Mind Tutorials for more videos.